There are a lot of questions in my mind that I was not being able to answer that I found through NLP.
I smile a little more now. I've noticed that in the last 3-4 days.
It's a tool built on Vipassana. It's amazing. It's amazing where it can take you.
What we do in the 5-day program is we try to help people help themselves.
It's not my monkey, it's not my circus. It's all about them. Everything that you resist will persist, and everything that you accept will transform.
He's a therapist, he's a coach, he's a mentor.
My job in the session is very simple. It's to encourage people, to inspire them to go deeper within so that they can find their own answer.
Everybody needs NLP. We all need to learn this tool. We all need to know how we can use it in our life.
You cannot control the cards that are dealt to you. You can decide how to change the game and play the game.